main issue in Karbi Anglong, all round development in Karbi Anglong and unemployed problem solved. We have Karbi Anglong unemployed youth educated. Unemployed youth educated is many people, many students, many youths in Karbi Anglong. So we need resolve to unemployed youth educated problem. To discuss several groups of militant in Karbi Anglong, we have main object in peace and develop in Karbi Anglong. This is the main theory in Karbi Anglong. Congress, APIS, regional party, national party, political party, Congress, people rejected. People rejected their political party.
So whom do you think will be your opponent in this election?
He is the Narendra Modi. He is a politician. No COVID-19 of India. He is the non-politician. I am the politician. 2020 outwell election. 24 Goripur Assembly legislative member. So I am helping giving the rise. So because full flat, I am to help me. So because so giving the lockdown, so better poor people, very poor people. Where are you? Better what will do?